Shandong Kelesi Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2011. It is the professional construction machinery company in China. Our company is located at National High-Tech Zone, Jining City, Shandong Province. Our company covers more than 10,000 square meters. We have the professional foreign trade team that covers English, Russian, and other languages. We have the professional technicians to provide timely technical support. Our main products: crawler dumper truck, wheel loader, wheel dumper truck, crane truck, mini excavator, tractor, road roller, and other machines. With reasonable design, low energy consumption, high efficiency, and convenient operation and maintenance. Our machines can meet our customers' different requirements. OEM service are also welcome. With the advanced equipment, strong technical force, and excellent sales and service team, our machinery are sold all over the world. We have established the strict quality inspection system. Every machine will be tested strictly before shipment.